Hey there, Hard Hat Holly with your challenge for the day. Day 9 is all about interior styling and design of houses. I want you to go to houzz.com, Houzz.com, and look up the latest design, style, and trends in your area. So you can put geographic areas in Houzz as well as just like modern farmhouse, contemporary, different styles like that. So go ahead and see what is popular on Houzz and also look at the dates on that. If it was a date that was more than, I don't know, maybe 2 years or older, you probably can't necessarily rely on that as being a current design trend, but definitely something in the last 6 to 12 months, you're safe. So go to houzz.com, and I'd love it if you guys would share some pictures from there of some of your favorite styles that you see on there that you think are cool, especially kitchens and bathrooms. That's what sells a house, the kitchen especially. So that's where you need to focus your attention and your money. Thanks so much for watching, and tune in for tomorrow's challenge and go to hardhatholly.com/flip to sign up for our masterclass, which is coming up in just a few days.